we are going to make a headband out of this Dollar Tree scarf. So I went and picked my favorite pattern. I'm going to cut off the tag, and then I'm going to go ahead and get this off of here. You can pick any patterns. They always have different patterns, and we're going to be making a headband. So I'm going to go ahead, and it is 60 inches wide. So it's 30 inches twice. So I'm going to go ahead, and I'm just thinking about what I want to cut it at. I think I want to cut it at 20 inches. Yes. So I'm going to go 36, 26, 16, they don't have to be exactly. All right, so we've got our two sides of the headband. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to take it and fold this one this way and this one this way. So it's going to be like kind of a nice twist or knot in the headband. So we've got that. Now we need to go ahead and do the headband part that's going to connect it. So I'm going to go over here, do this. This is going to be that little part, and I'm just going to do maybe 4.5 inches. And you'll see what we do with this part as well. So now you can put this to the side, and for this we're going to fold this over and sew along the edge here to get that nice and closed. So go ahead, get your sewing machine and sew down this side. Now that we've got this little piece sewn, we're going to go ahead and turn this inside out. You can use a stick if you need some extra help, but I'm just going to pull this through because both sides are open. This makes it a little bit easier. All right, so this is going to be the back of our headband. So this is obviously a little bit big, but what we're going to do is we are going to add elastic into this. So I'm going to cut just 3 inches of elastic, not very much. And then I'm going to use a safety pin to thread this elastic through. So I'm going to put that on there, put that in there, and then I'm going to sew this right here. I'm just going to sew the elastic right into the middle so that it's not going to go anywhere when we start tightening the elastic. Here we go. So you can see the elastic is in there, and I just sewed a straight line across so that it won't go anywhere when we take our safety pin and pull it through. There we go. Nice and elasticy. We're going to take this side and sew it down. So now we've got both sides of this elastic piece put in the back of the headband. You're going to want some pins for this next part to pin everything together as you're sewing it. So we've got our two sides of the fabric. We're going to put one laying out this way, one laying this way. We're going to fold that, fold this. So here we go. And then we are going to take these. They're about the same width. I'm going to work on one side first. So we're going to fold these two and lay them on top of each other. We're going to be sewing through multiple layers of fabric, but that's why it's so nice to use these really thin scarves, because it's not going to be super bulky. We are going to fold over like this, both sides, and then we're going to sew through all of those. So we're going to lay this like this. Then we're going to take that one side of our elastic and put it here, and then fold the top and the bottom over. And then we're going to sew right through all those pieces. I'm going to use a 1/2 inch seam allowance. So that means that the needle is going to be sewing a 1/2 inch from the edge of my fabric. And I'll show you what I mean there in just one moment. So here was the edge of my fabric, and here was how my needle was sewing. So it's about a 1/2 inch from the edge. All right, let's pull that out. This is going to wrap around. Ooh, that looks so nice. All right, remember we've still got the other side to do. Okay, that is really, really nice. We can sew down right here. Along here, if you want to make it really secure, that would certainly be a step that you could do. But I think because it's all folded in there, it's going to be very nice. Let's do the other side. So I've got both layers of fabric. This side is not cut as even. And then I'm going to do this little guy. Fold him over once, fold it over twice, and go ahead. Oh, that's actually the wrong way. Let's go ahead and flip it. That way, this fold is going to be on the back, and when we fold these, they're also going to be on the back. All right, and let's sew that. Fold these out. And here we go. Look at that cute headband. That just makes it so nice. It's got a little twist in the middle It's stretchy so that no matter what size head will fit in it. This is really, really cute. All right. I'm gonna grab some pictures and then I'm gonna try it on. All right, here's my headband. I feel like you can't see the twist as much because of the pattern. I mean, I really like the pattern. You can still see the daisies on there. You can put it back a little bit further if you want it there, but I think this is a really cute summer headband. It's not hot, it's not heavy, so it's just really light, really nice, really comfortable. So I hope you go and pick out a few Dollar Tree scarves, maybe make this for yourself or a friend to give away. I think they were super easy to make, super inexpensive. It didn't take a lot of time. I love homemade things that are quick and easy but don't take a lot of money or a lot of time. So thanks so much for stopping by. Let me know your thoughts and if I should try any other headband patterns. I know there are a bunch of them out there. So have you made a headband before? Should I make it bigger so it just slides on without the elastic? There are a bunch of different options. So let me know what you think in the comments. Bye.